Most of us know and are aware that approximately a week and a half to 2 weeks ago, Judge Brett Kavanaugh was sworn in as a new Supreme Court Justice after a landslide and storm of allegations about sexual misconduct and even rape that occurred over 30 years ago. More respectably, concerning Dr. Christine Ford. Now, it is unfortunate, ladies and gentlemen, that there was supposed to be an FBI investigation into the allegations, into the truth of these allegations, I should say. But the FBI, in my estimation, did a horrible job of investigation because, number one, it took less than a week for them to come to the conclusion that there was no credible evidence. That's number one. And number two, and probably lastly for this particular segment, the fact that there was approximately 20 people who said that they were eyewitnesses as to his behavior in and around that time. The FBI dismissed those individuals' testimony. When is it in justice, in truth, that a person who says that they are a witness and that they have conclusive information concerning a crime that has taken place, you, as an officer of the law, a judge, FBI or CIA or someone on that level or on that stage as far as it relates to law, when is it that you dismiss any possible information that could incriminate someone unless you have something to gain by not admitting it into evidence, that is? When do you do that? I have seen many court cases where the defense side wants to enter into evidence something that could potentially free the defendant from any charges or specific charges. And I've heard the judge say, I won't admit that into evidence. Or he denies it or she denies it. Why? If you're defending yourself and the prosecutor is hell bent on prosecuting you and having you locked up for probably many years, and you say, well, I have some evidence, or I'm not going to admit that. Unless there is something criminal happening on that so-called justice system. So, another stain on America. The fact that Bill Cosby, something that occurred 30, 20, 10 years ago, he is now serving 3 to 10 years in prison, and he's currently in prison, for sexual misconduct and raping at least one person. But this judge goes free. Go figure.